In this video, I'm going to tell you the new templates in PTE and what changes you need to make in your preparation. The most common question which we get is, Malcolm, I'm not getting my score in PTE. I've taken it 4 times, I've taken it 10 times, I've taken it 6 times, but I'm not getting my score in writing. I'm not getting my score in speaking. Every day we get so many inquiries. Now, this video proves that with the help of our templates, which our superstar Senudhi, basically she's a student from Sri Lanka and in Melbourne, she enrolled with us for just 2 weeks of online classes. In her first PT attempt, you can see her scores. Overall 90, speaking 87, which is also a band 9 score, and everything else is a perfect 90. Now, what are the changes and what exactly did Senudhi do to get this amazing score in just 2 weeks? The first thing is, she was very clear from day one that Malcolm, and to her team, she said, this is the score I need for my PR, and I'll be grateful if I get it. What should I do? I said, simply enroll with us, watch my videos, which you find in our portal. That's the first step. Don't rush while you're watching my videos. That is the base. If your base is weak, then the building will collapse. She took some time, enough time, 3 to 4 days to understand each and every video properly. And there is a latest video which I have shot, which is available on our portal, exclusively shared with our enrolled students, where I explain how to implement the changes, how to execute the templates. Now, she was also sharing her samples, not daily, but whenever she used to practice, even through WhatsApp to me, to our other tutors, mainly for read aloud, describe image, retell lecture, also write essay. Took many mock tests on our portal, and this is the score which she got in her first attempt. Now, talking about the new templates, now all of you know that in November 2024, PT introduced human scoring in 2 tasks, describe image and retell lecture. In these 2 tasks, you should not speak like a parrot. You need to speak like a human. Don't use unnecessary words like beautiful, colorful, don't. Not required, don't waste your time. Talk about actually what you see in the image. You can use our template, you can speak on your own. Make sure you speak like a normal human being. Don't rush, take natural pauses. You can do some human sounds like while you're thinking. The second thing which she did correctly was in retell lecture, she was not using just one single keyword. A lot of students just still randomly, pick up some words with a note without understanding the lecture. If you don't understand the lecture, you will not be able to retell the lecture properly. You must have a strategy and a proper sentence formation approach. The other thing which she did absolutely fantastically well was her write essay. She got a 90 in writing. She used our template for the essay. Now, I'm not scaring you, but gone are the days where people used to, use fixed essay templates. Like I had my own template with so many institutes copied for so many years, and it used to do wonders to their score. But that was like 2 years back. Gone are those years, You can't use fixed templates. You need original sentence formation in the body paragraphs, at least 3 to 4 sentences. We provide a template in which you have to fit some sentences on your own. Now, the main thing is if you don't have original content, and if you repeat the topic keywords 9 to 10 times, the same word, let's say the topic is parents and children, you repeat parents, children, parents, children, parents, children, the software will penalize your essay content score, and if content is not checked, you will get a 0 in the entire essay. You are at a risk of losing 11 points out of 90. That's too big a risk to take. So please don't take essay writing casually. Don't, become a victim to YouTube videos which share fixed templates. Just like in read aloud, there are a lot of videos which still promote using the one-line strategy despite PT telling not to use it. So please don't use such strategies. The last thing which she did really well was her summarized spoken text. In my video, which is also available as a separate video course on our website, mockmaster.ai, I have clearly explained in my latest video how to use the essay template, how to use complex sentences in the essay. Simple way, but the sentence will become complex if you follow my structure. I've explained how to insert a group of keywords in summarized spoken text, which makes sense as per the context of the passage. If you put in random words, it's not going to work. And the last thing which she did really well was that she did a lot of practice for repeat sentence, a lot of practice for write from dictation, and a lot of practice for repeat sentence. naturally, she was good at her reading and reading writing blanks, which obviously was an added bonus. That's why she could get her desired score in just 2 weeks. For everyone, it's not that easy and it requires a lot of practice. So now I've told you what you need to do. Focus on the main tasks. Read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image. Very important. Write essay, very important. Reading blanks, reading writing blanks, really important in respect to time management and accuracy. And in listening, summarize spoken text, listening blanks, highlight incorrect words, and write from dictation. Really vital if you want to push up your score to 79 plus in everything. One last thing before we end. Make sure you have saved this video if not already. We do provide one-to-one training. One-to-one means one tutor, one student. If you are struggling with PT with repeated attempts, not getting your score, you don't need to worry. We do offer one-to-one coaching separately at very reasonable pricing. That also includes full access to our own AI portal, which comes with close to 500 AI scored mock tests. It's an amazing portal, has a lot of resources, including my video course. Apart from that, if you're looking only to self-study, you can go to mockmaster.ai. That's our website. And you can purchase video courses which come with timetables, which come with prediction files and template documents. And you can self-study using mock tests on your own as well. Along with this, if you're looking for NATI and IELTS coaching, we provide that too. Details will be in the comment. I'm Malcolm. Good luck.